B360 Secure is a web-based application, built specifically for Autodesk Construction Cloud, or BIM360 account admins. This application consolidates all your project-specific member data, and folder permission data into a single dashboard, helping you analyze, audit and manage your project security. From the B360 Secure website, click on the login page, to start the web-based application. The application requires you to be an account admin, to be able to access the portal. Also, you must be a project admin to be able to utilize the application. Click to agree. B360 Secure consolidates all your project-specific members, and folder information, into a single dashboard. For this, we need your permission to access your data from ACC or BIM360. Click Allow to enter. Welcome to the homepage of B360 Secure. Let's now understand the interface. The Accounts tab. Use this to toggle between different accounts that you may have access to. You must have the application installed in these accounts to be able to view them. The Projects tab. This tab is used to toggle between different projects that you have access to. You also have the option to select multiple projects from this Project tab. The Members tab. You can find the list of all the members present in the project. You can also search for members using their display names. User tab. Click on the User tab to find out information related to your subscriptions. Now, let's go to Projects dashboard. This tile gives us the total number of projects present in your account where you are a project admin. You can also see details of the number of active projects, inactive projects, as well as the archived projects. This is the Projects dashboard, which showcases all the projects where you are the project admin, as well as the count of users in the project. It also bifurcates the number of internal and external users in the project. You can click on the project bar to enter the project. Now, let's go to Members tab dashboard. This dashboard showcases the total member count present in your account. It also bifurcates the internal and external users in the portal, based on the email domain of the users. The Members tab dashboard showcases all the members in your account, and the number of projects they have access to. It also highlights on the internal and external users in the project. You can select the user to get details about their permission matrix. Now, let's understand the folder permission interface. Click on any project to view its details. Once within the project, you can see the folder structure as seen on ACC or BIM360 portal. You can select the folder whose permissions you need to audit or verify. Here, we can see the legend of the permissions. These are the permissions which are available on ACC or BIM360. We have associated them with numerical numbers to keep the interface clean. By default, you will be able to view the permissions given to certain folders, but will not be able to make changes in the permissions. To make changes, you will first need to activate the Edit button. Folder-wise permissions on ACC or BIM360 are usually given to individual users, entire companies, or specific roles. They are visible on this bar. You also have the option to check only the user, company, or roles as per your convenience. Details of the members of the company, or the list of employees with certain roles, can be known by hovering over the circle next to it. Project admins and account admins have shields next to them to identify them. Account admins have a darker shield, while project admins have a lighter shield. Next, we need to understand parent folders and child folders. Parent folders are the folders which have subfolders, or child folders within them. These are usually prefixed with an asterisk. Usually, when a parent folder is given a certain permission, those permissions are inherited by the subfolders as well. The child folders cannot have permissions less than the parent folder. To make changes to the permissions, first click on the Edit button. Then click on the permission that you want to change, and the permission level pop-up will appear. You can select multiple folders and change their permissions. You can only update the permissions from ACC or BIM360 portal. You will not be able to add permissions from the application. When you change the permissions on the B360 Secure dashboard, for example, from View Only to View plus Download, the permissions will be updated on the ACC or BIM360 as well. Now, the updated permissions will be visible, both on the BIM360 portal and on the B360 Secure dashboard.